Moving the claw of a VEX IQ Clawbot is easy with VEXCode IQ blocks. Once you have a motor device added, a new category of blocks named Motion will appear. Select the Spin Forward block from the toolbox. Connect it to the When Started block. Select the claw motor. Open for 60 degrees. This opens the claw motor 60 degrees from its current position. You can also move the claw motor using turns instead of degrees. A tip for using the claw motor is to use the Set Motor Timeout block. This block sets a time limit to allow the stack to continue if the motor cannot reach its target within the time limit. Set the motor to the claw motor and the timeout to 2 seconds. Use another Spin Forward block from the toolbox. Connect it to the stack. Select the claw motor. Closed for 30 degrees. Your claw motor is now ready to grab an object.